Yeah, I'm waiting for a candidate to come for the interview. This candidate is appearing for an interview with SJVN Limited. It is a joint venture of Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. It is an ISO 9001 2015 company, Yamini Ratna, and a Schedule A public sector undertaking. SJVN Limited, Yamini Ratna Category 1 and Schedule A CPSC under administrative control of Ministry of Power Government of India was incorporated on May 24, 1988 as a joint venture of the Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. Beginning with a single project and a single state operation, the company has a total portfolio of approximately 9,000 megawatts and commissioned 5 projects totaling 2016.5 megawatt installed capacity, which includes SJVN, which includes company's largest 1,500 megawatt Nathpa Jhakri Hydro Power Station. Then SJVN has laid horizontal and vertical growth and diversification plans and is developing itself into fully diversified transnational power company in all types of conventional and non-conventional forms of energy and in power transmission. SJVN has shared vision of achieving 5,000 megawatts capacity by 2023, 12,000 megawatts by 2030, and 25,000 megawatts by 2040. Commensurate to its ambitious growth plans and swift growth trajectory, SJVN intends to engage manpower on fixed tenure basis in the following disciplines and invites applications from promising and committed individuals. Engagement shall be purely temporary and on contract basis for an initial period of 3 years. The engagement shall be pure. The contract period can be further extended on yearly basis for 2 more years, depending upon the work requirement and performance of the individual. The engagement will not entitle him to claim for any regular employment in SJVN or any relaxation in case of any requirement for any post in SJVN. This is what they are telling. Hello. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute. Sahil.
1 second.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Good. You look very smart.
Thank you, sir.
Smart young boy. Acha. Smart young boy, you are from which place?
Sir, I am from Khanna, Punjab.
Kanna in Punjab. Acha, acha.
Yes, sir.
What is your father?
Sir, for my father is businessman.
What is the business he is doing? No, what is the business he is doing?
Sir, he is involved in manufacturing of iron and steel products.
Oh. अच्छा पिताजी इतना बड़ा काम में है आप क्यों उनका बिजनेस में नहीं जाते हैं?
वो sir, big brother is there to handle all that.
अच्छा अच्छा
I do not have interest in business.
अच्छा अच्छा you don't have interest and बड़ा boy है. How many siblings do you have?
Only one sibling, sir.
अच्छा good. What is your mother? Mother is homemaker. What is your mother?
Yes, sir. She's home.
Homemaker.
She is homemaker.
Very good. बड़ा भाई को शादी हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Good. आपको शादी नहीं हुआ?
नहीं, sir.
क्यों? आप तो कंपनी
अभी
में काम आपने तो कंपनी में काम करते हैं कोई जगह पर, तब तो शादी करने से तो खराब नहीं ना?
जी जी सर.
अच्छा ठीक है. नाउ आपका बारे में बताइए प्लीज टेल. अच्छा बिफोर दैट लेट मी आस्क यू दीज क्वेश्चंस. आर यू अवेयर दिस इज अ टेम्पररी जॉब फॉर 3 years कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जॉब?
Yes, sir.
You are aware? Acha.
Sir, but I have one question that will there be any bond that I will be stuck for 3 years there?
That only after appointment they will tell you whether they will ask for 3 years permanently. I don't think they can ask, because when they are going to say it is a temporary job, they have
Okay,
told
sir.
very temporary, and
Okay, sir.
they cannot insist on your being retained there for long. ऐसा
And
bond
sir,
bond नहीं होगा.
ठीक है सर. और सर पे 60,000 ही है उसमें?
But very less, 60,000, and possibly दूसरे कई जगह पर अपने पोस्टिंग हो गया तो आपको थोड़ा ज्यादा मिलता है बोला है. I think they are not offering a regular pay scales of officers. Of course 60,000 is the pay scale of officers now, bank officers. Bank officers को
Okay.
60, but your position is entirely higher. You have studied chartered accountancy. So
Yes, sir.
normally you must be put in scale 2. मतलब 90,000, roughly 90,000 सैलरी आना चाहिए आपको. अदर
सर ये
थिंग्स
डीए वगैरह भी नहीं दे रहे हैं?
नहीं है, नहीं बोला है ना, बिकॉज दे आर
नहीं है.
टेकिंग यू एज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एम्प्लॉयमेंट.
सो मतलब बेसिकली ये डिपेंड करता है अगर
नेक्स्ट
अगर
ईयर
कोई
में
कोई
नेक्स्ट ईयर दे मे गिव यू 5% इंक्रीज.
ओके.
60,000 में 5% इंक्रीज इज हाउ मच? 3,000.
बट सर अभी locally I am employed in a private sector company and I am getting 50,000 there.
Then why should you leave this? No, please answer me.
Okay.
Unless I know you are working in the sugarcane company, na?
No, sir, iron and steel company.
Acha, acha. Who is that boy who is working in sugarcane? I don't know. मैं confused हो गया. You are working in your CV.
Private
आपने CV भेजा नहीं भेजा? CV नहीं भेजा?
भेजा सर, भेजा सर, पीडीएफ भेजी थी मैंने,
अच्छा.
व्हाट्सएप किया था आपको.
Oh. No, I received one WhatsApp PDF of saying that about the SJVN. Are you appearing for SJVN or what? Correct, na?
ये एसजेवीएन सर. यस सर.
SJVN आया हमको, लेकिन
सर आई एम सेंडिंग
हाँ
राइट अवे.
आगे पहले ही भेजा
आ
है.
गया.
नहीं, you have
ठीक
sent
है
it
सर.
earlier. इसमें
ओके
तो
सर.
हमने भी पढ़ा है. That is, you have studied Institute of Chartered Accountants, then company secretaries, Your resume is very good. Your
Okay, sir.
resume is very good, and ठीक है, if you are willing to, Abhi, you are now in Punjab, and would you like to go to Himachal Pradesh for the 10,000 rupees increase?
Sir, basically, on a wider terms, I was looking for some kind of exposure in big companies
Uh,
so that it can lead me to further higher jobs.
why did you not try for Coal India Limited that came recently? Why did you not try for Food Corporation of India that came recently?
Sir, I tried for FCI, but I was not able to clear the exam.
Oh, मतलब आप थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा पढ़ना है. FCI में cut off was very high. Cut
Sir,
off was
उसमें seats were only 5 to 6 for general category.
अच्छा अच्छा. चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के लिए ज्यादा था ना.
नहीं सर, इतना ही था, 6 सीट्स था जनरल के लिए.
I don't know. But I have done lot of interviews for those guys, and only thing is, कोल इंडिया में क्यों नहीं आया आपने?
Sir, Coal India में I missed the date for filling the examination form. I came to know later about that.
Why did you not apply for बैंक रिक्रूटमेंट में कई जहां पर जहां चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट को बुला रहे हैं? आपने देखा नहीं?
Uh,
You are not looking for advertisements properly, correct?
no, sir, I am looking. I have this guy known as C. Naval Sharma.
हाँ.
He's regularly updating about everything, every job about CAs.
अच्छा अच्छा.
So, as and when I find the opportunity, I apply for that.
Very good. Now,
Previously I have also given exams for PSPCL also. That
PSPCL
is
का मतलब?
PSPCL, Punjab State Electricity Board.
अच्छा 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 अच्छा, ठीक है, that's a good
Oh,
one. Now tell
yes, sir.
me, at least it is in the same state. Now, have you consulted your parents about your leaving the place for this job?
Yes, sir. I have consulted, but previously I was in doubt that the basic pay is 60,000, and after getting the DA, it will be around 1 lakhs.
कुछ नहीं,
So,
कुछ नहीं. It's only 60,000. They have very clearly told in that, and even medical benefit and all, they say that you will be eligible only after some years and all that. ना देखा उसका?
okay. हाँ जी सर, बट वो तो मेडिक्लेम करवाया होता है, तो दैट इज नॉट ऑफ मच रेलेवेंस.
That is not because you have got Mediclaim with you. Have you
Yes,
taken
sir.
Mediclaim policy?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Which company?
Star Health.
Oh, super. How much is the premium they are charging per year roughly?
Sir, recently I have paid around 13,000 for 1 year.
Not bad, not bad. It's only yearly basis. It has to be renewed
Yes, sir.
every year, and there may
Yes,
be
sir.
they may be having some exclusion clause that first 3 years no claim and all that.
Sir, actually, previously I was under my father's insurance policy, but now I have taken it individually.
Mhm.
So
Okay.
our policy is being continued 5 years back.
Mhm.
So
So
we have covered all those exclusions.
very good, very good. That is correct. 1 minute, just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Good evening. I received the money. Sorry, I did not check up the. I did not check up the. In fact, I talked to. I. It is about national. The about NRACT only. That is what I saw in some Google. So I forwarded that to you. Thank you. I talked to principal also on account of this. Thank you so much. Bye. Bye. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. That is from Delhi, a call from Delhi. Yeah. Now tell me, see, you are now convinced about going to this company. Sure.
Yes, sir.
Where,
Yes, sir.
even though they are going to give us only 60,000, you are okay with
Yes,
it
sir.
because you feel you will have a better exposure.
Yes, sir.
Now, this point you may have to use when you are telling about yourself. आपका बारे में बताइए फर्स्ट, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ? आप हिंदी में बात करना चाहते हैं और अंग्रेजी में बात करना चाहते हैं? इनफैक्ट इन कंपनीज लाइक दिस दे विल बी टॉकिंग मोर इन हिंदी आल्सो.
Okay.
इन
So,
कंपनी,
sir, can it be mixture of both the languages?
yeah, it can be mixture of both, no problem. But
Okay.
please tell me about yourself. Yeah.
Hello, sir. My name is Sahil Agarwal. I belong to city known as Khanna, which and its state is Punjab. And this city is famous as it is Asia's largest grain market. And I have done my schooling from Sacred Heart Convent School, Khanna, and completed my graduation from Punjab University, Chandigarh in the year 2015. And I also did my chartered accountancy course and completed it in 2019. Besides this, I have also pursued company secretary course, of which I have passed the executive level and one group of professional level, and two groups are remaining. Currently, I am working in a private sector company which is involved in manufacturing of iron and steel products. I have been working in this company since uh, uh, 2 years, and in this company, I am working as an accounts and finance manager. Basically, I am overseeing all the daily accounting activities of the firm. I am also responsible for managing the finances of the company. Recently, our company has expanded in the RN sector, and they have expanded around 10 crores. And I have managed at the entire project, and we have also applied for the subsidy under the Punjab government invest scheme, and we have successfully sanctioned amount of rupees 6 crore approximately.
Acha. What is that? The company has recently invested in which project?
In iron and steel project.
Iron and steel project. A new unit is being started.
No, sir, they are expanding the existing unit.
Expanding. Very good.
Yes, sir.
So now your company, what is the profit of your company in the last year?
So the profit of the company was around 1 CR.
Acha. And was a dividend declared last year?
No, sir.
Acha. When was the company incorporated?
So the company was roughly incorporated around year 2001.
2001. Acha. 20
Yes,
years.
sir.
But
Yes, sir.
normally steel companies, some of them do very well, some of them do very bad. So what was the performance of your company during the past 5 years?
So during the past 5 years, I must say in the starting in the 2015 to 2017, it was barely a manageable situation with no profit or no losses.
Mhm.
But after that, due to booming of iron and steel sector,
Mm.
they earned good amount of profits. And after COVID period also, the industry has boomed to a great extent,
Mm.
and we have been earning a good amount of profits.
Mm.
But now the impact of corona has started again, so the markets are falling down again.
Mhm. So how many employees are working in your company?
Around, sir, 80 to 100 employees.
80 to 100. Oh,
Yes, sir.
and during Corona, was there any retrenchment or reduction in staff?
No, sir. From our side, it was not.
Excellent. I'm really happy. We should thank the directors for this. Who are the important people behind the company?
So they are the directors. They belong to Mandi Gundgad only,
Mhm.
and they belong to a very known group known as Lahoria.
Oh, it's a famous group. Acha.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
good. Now, what makes you think that you should have a change to this public sector unit?
So basically, I see as a first step towards my career growth, and I want to have a good exposure in large sector companies,
Mhm.
as it is it comes under a medium enterprise category.
Mm. Why were you not interested in doing private practice?
So actually, I see that there is a huge competition among the CAs that are present in the market, and moreover, people are not ready to pay them as per the services.
This is the problem.
Yes, sir.
Very sad, very sad, very sad.
They want that chartered accountant should do each and everything,
Mm.
but when time comes to pay them, then they are like that he is charging a very huge amount.
So, and only a few are lucky in this. Some of them are really lucky. And
Actually, sir, I can say that in my local city, people have made constituted companies, but they do not know A about the companies.
Mhm. They do not,
Not
they don't know about what they don't know.
they don't know ABC about companies.
Acha, acha, company
Still,
management. Mhm.
no, sir, they do not have any knowledge about company laws or anything. They keep on uh, they keep on मतलब वो उसको
They,
उल्लंघना करते रहते हैं उसकी.
जो जो मन लगता है ऐसा में भी करते हैं, मन में जो
हाँ
लगता है.
वैसे
Oh, acha.
बिल्कुल.
I know what you say. Some of the companies may not be filing the balance sheet also regularly with the Register of Companies.
No, sir, that is being done. But when we say the transaction with respect to related parties and other things, they are
Mhm.
not following that.
Acha, acha, acha. Good. Now, suddenly you came into this Companies Act. If you come like this in the interview, they will ask questions. What is the difference between the Companies Act 2013 and the Companies Act 1956?
If I talk about Companies Act 1956, it belonged to an olden era and was incorporated according to that time, and it was a
No, no,
very hodge.
tell me about changes only. What are the differences?
What are the differences?
Acha, you don't know?
No, sir.
This is
Actually, I have studied 2013 only.
no, this is a very famous question in interviews
Okay.
where people test whether you know about it. Differences between Companies Act,
1956 and
ah,
2013.
correct, 1956 and 2013. In fact, there is a slide also. Difference between
Okay.
the slide share also is there. Companies Act
Okay.
2013. Um, one minute. This is not coming. I will go into this. Yeah. 1 minute. But see, what is the difference between Companies Act 56 and 2013? The Companies Act contains 658 sections and 15 schedules. The Companies Act 2013 has 464 sections and 7 schedules. The Act has lesser sections as the companies will be governed more through the rules which are yet to be prescribed. What are the changes introduced? The amendment bill seeks to amend the entire section. So आप थोड़ा इसका पढ़ लीजिए बाद में. I can,
ठीक है सर.
yeah, just go to Google and search difference between Companies Act 1956 and 19,
Yes, sir.
and then you will get lot of ideas. उसमें से थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, ठीक है? This is a
Okay, sir.
favorite question of
Okay.
people.
Okay, sir.
Good. Now let me ask. I think I sent you some questions and all. Did you go through that?
No, sir. Actually, I did not get much of the time.
अच्छा, ठीक है. Can you tell me something about what is a balance sheet and what are reserves.
So, balance sheet reflects the financial position of an enterprise. It tells about the assets that a person or a company has, and the liabilities, that is the money which is contributed by himself, or which is to be which is lended from some other persons to run the business.
Mm.
And with respect to reserves, reserves contain the uh, profits which have been earned throughout the working of the company, as well as the reserves which are contributed uh, by the directors or shareholders.
Now, why reserves are maintained by companies?
Reserves are maintained by the companies.
A reserve is the profit achieved by a company
Yes, sir.
where a certain amount of it is put back into the business, which can help the business in their rainy days. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. What are the three types of reserves? Revenue reserve, capital reserve, specific reserve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Do companies have reserves? Companies, firms hold cash reserves to meet all expected and unexpected costs in the short run, as well as to potential investments. What is a reserve fund of a company? A reserve fund is a savings account or other highly liquid asset that a person or company has set aside to cover any potential costs or financial obligations, especially those that occur unexpectedly. What are reserves examples? Examples of such reserves include dividend equalization reserve, debenture redemption reserve, contingency reserves, capital redemption reserves, etc. What is the importance of reserves? Reserves help in strengthening the financial position of the business enterprise. They are not created to meet any liabilities, contingencies, or commitments. It is important to mention here that business cannot create reserves in anticipation of some losses. ऐसे में भी इसको भी आप पढ़ना है, reserves in
Okay.
companies बोल के आप स्टडी कर लीजिए, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Not that I am telling you don't know, but prepare करने से अच्छा होगा.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, you are working, actual work क्या है जी आपको घर ऑफिस में?
सर एक्चुअल वर्क जो भी मतलब अकाउंट्स का सारी जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं, चाहे वो रिसीवेबल्स है, चाहे पेबल्स हैं, जितने भी बिलिंग है, कोई भी मटेरियल फैक्ट्री में एंटर होता है, मतलब एवरीथिंग इज सुपरवाइज्ड बाय मी.
Oh, supervision. Yeah. That is goods inward, goods outward. अच्छा, आजकल एक्साइज ड्यूटी नहीं है ना?
नो सर,
What is
ओनली
the
जीएसटी.
what is the present form of taxation? GST.
जीएसटी.
इसका बारे में थोड़ा बताइए. And do you have any role in that? Do you play any role in that? And how these books are maintained properly? Everything is done through computerization. Na?
यस सर.
Supposing how companies, I'm sorry to ask, you are a chartered accountant, I should not ask. How companies maintain two different accounts. In one account, they show good profit, another account, they show lesser profit or loss, and how it can be maintained in computer itself. Is it a trick, business trick? Now, do you understand what do you understand what I say? So
नो सर.
पहले दिन में तो हम लोग खाता में लिखते थे.
ओके सर.
वो खाता में लिखने के समय पर क्या कर सकते हैं, हम लोग दो खाता लग सकते हैं. जिस खाता में रियल बिजनेस आता है, जो खाता में टैक्स वाला को जो शो करना, ऐसा लिखते हैं.
ठीक है सर.
So दूसरे वाला को पहले वाला को I will see that it is not reachable to others, something like that. But I don't know how. I have never done that because I was working in a bank. We were having only one account. Sorry, one
Okay, sir.
account. We were having I was showing two hands. I was having only one account. So this probably you may not know because you have never been a chartered accountant in practice.
No, sir, I know everything about that also, but I cannot reveal here.
Doesn't matter. So please don't tell me. Please don't tell me.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't matter. So it's a very interesting, that is, chartered accountant profession is such a noble profession,
Yes, sir.
but it is because of the malpractice adopted by a few members, like
Yes, sir.
big companies, Price Waterhouse, so many bada companies वाला वो लोग इतना बुरा काम करते हैं, and so it has brought bad name. And the famous case of Satyam Computers, what is the famous?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So he hypothetically increased the prices of his shares in the share market by showing the false balance sheets and profit and loss accounts.
Correct. उन्होंने क्या किया, 1,000 रुपया जमा दिया बैंक में, लेकिन वो रसीद आने का बाद में 1,000 को 10 crore, 100 crore करके बना दिया, and he was showing that he has got so much deposits in the bank.
Yes.
And for that, the chartered accountants were also a party to it.
Sure, sir. They are the only person who certify all these things on the basis of which people rely.
Very interesting. Anyhow, that's a very bad side of it. I'm not going into that. Now let us talk something good only. So you told me you are in charge of everything that comes in, that goes out. I was asking a very interesting question to you. Tell me about GST. This they will ask.
Okay, sir. Presently, all the supplies that are made by my company attracts a rate of 18%, and we are maintaining two places of business. One is the manufacturing site, and other is the dispatch site, which is also known as a godown. So two accounting systems are maintained, wherein at godown sale invoices are issued, and those invoices are then transferred onto the main office, that is manufacturing site, so that it can be recorded in the main accounting software. And monthly compilation of the sale and purchase invoices is done, and all the input tax credit that is availed in the accounting software is matched with the to be returns that is presented in the GST portal by 13th of every month. And any discrepancy, if it is there, then the parties are contacted, or corrective actions are taken so that the amount can be matched correctly.
First of all, tell me how GST is maintained. That is, when we purchase goods inward, raw materials, you
Yes,
are
sir.
paying some taxes. Uske liye any benefit is there, or what is that system? Bataiye. I don't know
Sir,
really.
actually, when an invoice comes, the accountant, first of all, it is authorized by the person in charge who is responsible for purchasing the goods. Then thereafter, the invoice goes to the accountant for feeding it in the accounting system. So when he makes the entry in the account,
Imagine we are purchasing goods worth 10 crore rupees, out of which the tax paid is, let us say, 1 crore rupees.
So, sir, entry will be like that purchase account debit, GST account debit. GST account can be of three types. If we are purchasing from out of state, then IGST will be attracted. If we are purchasing from inside the state, then CGST and SGST will be attracted at 9% respectively. So the first entry is purchase account debit, GST account debit, to whichever account it may be. Then it is credited towards the party account to whom the payment is required to be done.
No. Actually, it's a term of purchase of goods, means first goods account to be debited and all this to be credited. Na?
Then the GST account is to be debited. No, sir, debited because we have to take the credit of that.
Mhm.
We have paid to the party,
Mm,
and the GST credit is to be taken by us from the government.
mhm.
So that money is to be taken by us from the government. So we are debiting it.
Oh, credit bank account and then debit this thing, whatever it is.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है.
Yes.
उतना तो even if you tell, I can't understand. So there are how many types? There are 5 types of GST rates. But in your company, only one type of rate, 18% is charged, correct?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
What are the returns that you are submitting? Are you responsible for it or somebody else is responsible for it?
So returns are being filed by the accountant only, but I overall do the checking of all the filings
Acha, to
before the
whom,
final return is filed
how is it submitted? Is it submitted online or yeah,
online.
online only?
Yes, sir.
Which is the authority that is to whom it is being submitted?
To GST authority only, sir.
GST. There is a separate authority for that.
No, sir.
Central,
The
central,
GST department only.
Central Board of Direct Taxes or something. I'm not sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Central Board of Indirect Taxes.
Indirect.
Direct. Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. So it is being submitted to them, and then that is every month. Apart from that, quarterly returns are there,
No, sir. Yearly returns, annual.
yearly returns. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. That's right.
Quarterly returns are for those people who are having less turnover,
Mhm.
below
Whereas,
5 crores.
Mhm.
So the government has provided the option to file quarterly returns for
Mhm.
them.
Whereas yours, it is a yearly return. Yearly return, next year, within how many months you have to submit that? Within 2-3 months?
No, no, sir. By the end of
April,
December,
December,
December
6,
for
9.
financial year 2021, the due date is December 21.
अरे भाई
30.
आगे
Yes, sir.
सबमिट करना पड़ता है.
Yes, sir.
2021. That means 9 months time they give you.
Yes, sir.
Okay, maybe there are a lot of complications in that. Good. So you are very thorough with all that preparation of all GST returns.
Yes, sir.
Can you help our company in preparing them properly?
Sure, sir.
Very good. You know, what do you know about our company?
Uh, about your company, sir. SJVN is a joint venture company of it is owned by Government of India and Government of Himachal Pradesh. The share of Government of India is around 60%, and 26% share belongs to Government of Himachal Pradesh. Presently, it is involved in generation and transmission of hydropower electricity through hydropower, through thermal power, and through solar power. And around 20% of the total generation of Himachal Pradesh is done by SJVN, which means 1916 megawatt electricity is produced by this company, and 100 megawatts is produced through the means of wind power, and approximately 8 megawatt is produced through the means of solar power.
Mm. Good,
And
good,
it
good.
was incorporated in the year 1988.
Mm. So what do you think will be your role once you join us?
So basically, I think that what I have been doing in the company currently I'm employed in, that will those will be the things that I will be doing in your company as well, because your company is also planning for expansion. As I have heard that in next 5 years you are planning to invest around 35,000 crore rupees. As I was involved here also in expansion, uh,
Mm.
it can be of smaller amount, but I was involved in expansion activities, and I have done everything which was required for expanding the company, whether it be from accounting point of view, from finance point of view,
Mm.
and from governmental subsidies. I have done each and everything here.
Mhm.
So that will be very helpful in your company also.
Are you willing to be posted anywhere in our offices, or you are particular about joining only Himachal Pradesh? Because
No,
I
sir,
think,
I do not.
yeah, they have
Sorry,
postings.
sorry.
They have postings all over other places also. Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Definitely, I am okay with any kind of posting.
Mhm. Good, excellent. Then, under which ministry is this company coming?
The company is coming under Ministry of Power.
Who is the minister in charge of this?
Sir, sorry, I do not have knowledge about that.
Acha, 1 minute. You are not remembering it. Google.com Union Ministers List 2021. Union List of Cabinet Ministers. I am giving you the link in our. Are you a member of Telegram or not?
Yes, sir.
You are a member of Telegram.
Yes, sir. I have joined your group.
Very good. I am giving the link. जगरन जोश वो देख लीजिए विथ माइनर चेंजेस होने तो इनकॉर्पोरेट कर दीजिए ओके कि यहाँ पर
Okay, sir.
नरेंद्र मोदी चीफ प्राइम मिनिस्टर देन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ पावर ना अमित
Yes,
शाह
sir.
पावर ओनली आई एम टेलिंग यू पावर 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 external affairs, ministry of steel, ministry of child, Ministry of Railways, Textiles, Education, Parliamentary Affairs, Coals and Mines, Jal Shakti, Ministry of Powers, Shri Raj Kumar Singh.
Rajkumar Singh.
Shri
Huh.
Raj Kumar Singh. From which state is he coming? वो भी जान लीजिए. And he is in charge of Ministry of Power, Ministry of New and Renewable Energy also. ठीक है ये लिस्ट को
Okay, sir.
एक बार पढ़ लीजिए आपका मन में होने से बढ़िया है
Okay, sir.
that will be good अच्छा next one we will come to accountancy why should we select you बताइए आपको क्यों ये नौकरी देना है
As I have previously mentioned, sir, I have been involved in, I have been rigorously involved in the expansion activities of my existing companies. So I will be of a huge benefit to your company as well while performing the expansion activities because I I have knowledge about every nook and glitch of the things that are required to be done, whether it be related to the accounting policies and accounting methods that are to be employed while uh, recording the transactions that are to be done for the purpose of expansion and for if we need to apply for the governmental schemes or anything that I
no,
can.
no you are always telling only about your role but this is a general question to check up about your confidence level. See,
Okay.
what you are telling is only about your knowledge, your experience and all that. वो तो आप बता दिया, you are given it in CV also. But here what you should tell is, I possess the required qualifications and I am a quick learner.
Okay.
I am a hard working person. I am always interested in achieving the targets I keep for myself. Something like that. थोड़ा बढ़िया बात बोलना है आपका बारे में. You have to talk good about yourself.
Okay, sir.
And I am giving you a link which I have been giving in other videos also. This link will tell you what are all the qualities you can tell. I'm just giving it in our Telegram only again. Again in Telegram, this is achievement motivation traits. अच्छा, इसमें से पूरा बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है, उसमें से सम पॉइंट्स अब बोलना है, बताना है. हार्ड वर्किंग, सक्सेस ओरिएंटेड, कॉम्पिटिटिव, पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, टाइम गुड इन टाइम मैनेजमेंट, possess leadership style, tolerance for ambiguities, then ability to grasp quickly, then always having a clearly defined goal. ऐसा ऐसा करके थोड़ा HR बात बताना है.
ओके सर.
आपने जो बोला वो that is not wrong, because there it is. इसका अलावा, are you confident in joining this bank, in this company, in this organization? That willingness you have to reveal by expressing happily,
ओके सर.
and that you can do it. It's not a problem. थोड़ा एक बार उसको पढ़ लो, then you can do that. Okay, very good. Then what are your strengths? आपका पास क्या बढ़िया points है? Same answer, more or less same answer आएगा.
ओके सर.
बताइए.
My positive points are I am a very quick learner and I try to complete the tasks within the required timeline. I am also a good leader and coordinator, and I adjust myself with my colleagues and my superiors to to make the working environment friendly and to perform the task in a timely manner.
Good, good, nice. But itna, you look at their face. If they are listening, you can add some more points also. समझ गया? It
Okay.
depends. But आजकल इंटरव्यू में क्या 5 मिनट 10 मिनट के ज्यादा बात नहीं करता है. अभी आज कोई लड़की ना लड़का एक बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र इंटरव्यू जाके आया था. वो आके क्या बोला, कुछ नहीं, only 5 minutes interview for agricultural finance officer, very brief, कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay.
And they asked only about introduce yourself, you completed graduation 2019, अब तक क्या करते हैं, how many times did you appear for IBPS exam, why you want to join bank, what are the different types of soil in Chhattisgarh, which type of soil is found in Chhattisgarh and also in India, which crops are grown, what are the government schemes for farmers, women empowerment, have you worked practically with farmers in field, then how farmers can double their income. ऐसा भी questions तो आपको नहीं आएगा, लेकिन जो
तो ये तो बेसिक थ्योरी के क्वेश्चन है जो तो एग्जाम में भी पढ़े होंगे, एग्जाम दिया होगा जब.
that one, because theory में वो theory questions पूछेगा. इसका अलावा about personality, I have given link, most common interview questions. देखा नहीं देखा? नहीं देखा?
नहीं सर, नहीं देखा.
अरे बाबा, सक्सेसफुली बोलते हैं नहीं देखा. नहीं देखा. that एक लिंक हमने दिया नहीं दिया, बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र लिंक, इनके बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र लिंक दिया है. उसको खोला आप? नहीं खोला? आपने नहीं खोला होगा, क्यों?
उसमें YouTube वीडियो थी वो.
I used to give it under YouTube video comments का अंदर में भी ज्यादा देते हैं. वो देखा आपने?
सर एक्चुअली मैंने वो सुनने की कोशिश करी थी बट वो वॉइस क्लियर नहीं थी.
अच्छा,
मतलब जो जिससे आप इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे ना, उसका सुनाई नहीं दे रहा था कुछ भी. आपका तो क्लियर था.
My voice was clear whereas his voice was not.
Was very much fading.
Fading. अच्छा, ठीक है. Good. Now, what are your hobbies?
So presently, after my working schedule, I am doing cycling for around 30 to 40 minutes and try to do it daily.
Good.
And besides that, I am also trying to do some kind of yoga. That is maybe Kapalbhati or those breathing exercises that are to be
Yeah,
Yes, sir. Like this.
yeah. Good. You believe in that. Good, good, good. So, which is your favorite god?
Sir, we worship uh, our Guru Radha Swami Satsang Vyas.
Radha Swami.
Yes, sir.
Mm, I think he is from Delhi, na?
No,
I
sir,
think
he's from Punjab only.
acha, acha. They have their offices in Delhi also. Radha.
Yes, sir. They have
Bada.
offices around India and also in foreign countries.
Oh, Radha Swami, हमने देखा. Yeah. 1 minute, Radha Swami. Because I remember to have seen one in Prasad Nagar in Delhi. सुना है इसका?
Okay.
Radha
So
Swami. Radha Swami.
Satsang Vyas.
Satsang. हाँ,
Vyas.
BS. हाँ जी, RSSB. Super.
Yes, sir.
RSSB.org. Quote of the day, O Lord, you are the one in whose hand rests happiness and sorrow. Only you can relieve me of sorrow's burden. I have seen all and tested everyone. You alone shower generosity and grace. Okay, good. इसको पढ़ने से अच्छा होगा. इसको headquarters किधर है?
Vyas में, sir.
Bias is in Punjab.
Yes, sir. In Punjab.
Acha. Good, very good. That's nice. And they worship mostly Lord Krishna, na?
No, sir.
Ah,
They actually believe on meditation only.
ah.
So they are based on the teachings of Sikhism.
Sikhism. Acha.
Yes, sir.
Very good. But however, you are Hindu. You are
Pardon, sir?
you are a Hindu or a Sikh?
I am a Hindu.
Hindu. Very good. Excellent. Otherwise, nothing. And you are answering everything nicely. No problem. But थोड़ा general knowledge बोलने से तो थोड़ा खराब होता है. You are not remembering ministers' names also. Who is your governor
Yes,
in
sir.
Punjab?
I do not have that knowledge.
Don't ask me whether they can ask you this. But
Okay.
as a person going for jobs, you must have general knowledge thoroughly. Are you reading newspapers?
Sir,
No.
currently I am focusing on learning the English language. So I am reading the articles in the Hindu newspaper editors section.
Editorial section only, but you don't read
Yes,
other
sir.
news. What can you tell me something about the latest virus that has come?
Latest virus, the Omicron virus.
Omicron. I'm not getting the name. That's why I told you this. Omicron. इसका बारे में
Omicron virus.
or some people make fun of it. Amir Khan. Omicron नहीं Amir Khan. So
Yes, sir.
Omicron का बारे में क्या जानते हैं? थोड़ा prepare कर
Sir,
लीजिए.
actually,
Prepare कर.
okay.
I know. I can easily understand you may not have anything in your mind, just as I don't have anything. Similarly, आप prepare करना है इसका बारे में. ठीक है? थोड़ा
Okay,
point
sir.
prepare कर लीजिए. Like say, it started from South Africa and it is spreading very fast, and possibly the intensity of it or the damage may not be much as a result of that, something like that. अच्छा, आपका पंजाब में कैसे है कोरोना?
कुछ नहीं है सर, अभी तो खत्म सा ही है. अभी सर इलेक्शंस के बाद आएगा.
You can be made minister, बाबा. Election कब है? 2022?
Maybe in March, sir.
March. Oh.
उसके बाद ही आएगा.
Now I think you have a Congress government. I think it will come back again because
Yes, sir.
people are not very happy about the central government also, and central government.
But the CM has resigned, no?
That man resigned and now another CM has come now. Some,
Another CM, some Sardar has come.
yeah.
Channi.
Charanjit, na? Charanjit
Ch-
Channi.
Ch- Charanjit Channi.
He has come. And they were the previous chief minister and then that cricketer, they were fighting with each other. Na?
Yes, sir.
What is his name?
His name was what he was.
Huh?
He was his name. We say him like Captain, but I do not. Captain Amrinder Singh.
Nine, yeah, Captain Amrinder Singh, correct. What about the cricketer?
Cricketer Sidhu.
Ah, correct.
Sidhu.
What Sidhu?
I have to search it.
Amarinder Singh and Sidhu. Amarinder Singh. Sidhu
Navjot Singh Sidhu. Navjot Singh Sidhu.
Navjot Singh Sidhu. We must know
Yes,
that.
sir.
As a person from Punjab, you must know it. I need not know it.
Okay. sir.
Okay, good. Anyhow, very nice. You have talked very well. Your interview is on 24th.
Yes, sir.
Today is 22nd, only day after tomorrow. Attend that
Yes, sir.
with full hope. You will succeed. Only thing is, they will certainly ask you, अरे भाई, तुम permanent job को छोड़ के इधर क्यों आ रहे हैं?
Okay.
आपने ये नहीं बोलना है वो प्राइवेट कंपनी में जॉब इज नॉट परमानेंट, ये बोलना जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज the company working properly and you are also working correctly, it can continue for many more years also. समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So best wishes. I will rate this interview. Is it based on some written test and then this one, or what? Was there any
No,
written
sir,
test?
yes, sir. I have appeared for that.
What is the percentage of marks they are allotting? Written test
Sir,
and this?
actually, sir, they have not declared this kind of schedule, and they
बोला
have
नहीं.
also not declared the marks of the written test. Written test के marks भी नहीं बताए सर उन्होंने.
वो बोलता नहीं है. Normally, recruiting authorities, they don't tell. Computer-based test, 120 multiple choice questions of the relevant discipline. Part 2 will consist of multiple choice questions on executive aptitude. Executive aptitude में क्या क्या पूछा आपको?
Sir, basically, the major questions were from my professional field only. I can say that about 75% from my field, and the rest 30% were including GK, English, mathematics, reasoning, like those subjects.
Oh, अच्छा. अबाउट इंटरव्यू इसमें दिया है, हमने पूरा पढ़ा नहीं है.
Sir,
Selection,
marks weightage they have not given.
test centers, selection process consists of computer-based tests followed by group discussion, personal interview. अरे भाई,
Yes, sir.
तब तो group discussion के लिए, are you aware of the link I have provided? groupdiscussionideas.com. जानते हैं?
Yes, sir. You have shared that link. I will.
या आप प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए, ठीक है? करंट टॉपिक्स प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
सर जीडी के भी कोई टिप्स बता दो, मैंने कभी की नहीं है.
जीडी तो आई विल आस्क यू. groupdiscussionideas.com. When I come here, the topic that is interesting for me is cashless society. Cashless society. इसका बारे में बताइए. Cashless society.
Cashless society?
हाँ, मतलब the transactions are happening not in cash, but
Okay.
digital.
Online digital payments. So the Modi government has promoted these kind of payments to a huge extent. In year 2014, they have opened Jan Dhan accounts with zero balance in us to provide the bank accounts to every individual of the country. due to which most of the individuals have opened the account, and the banks has also provided the debit cards to them for the convenience of making payment through online modes.
Mm. Mm.
And moreover, the government is also charging some kind of fine and amount for making cash withdrawals or cash deposits more than the limits provided by them,
Mm.
uh, which is also a method of promoting the online payments.
Mhm.
Moreover, the NEFT and RTGS facility has been provided for 24 by 7, so that everyone can conveniently make the payment anytime, especially at business scale.
Mhm. Good. A cashless society is an economy where all financial transactions happen without cash. Cashless payment methods such as debit cards, credit cards, electronic payment using digital devices are used for cashless transactions. Now, cryptocurrencies are also being used for cashless transactions. Several countries are working on their own central bank digital currencies. Likewise, they have given pros of cashless society क्या है, then cons of cashless society क्या है, इसका बारे में पढ़ा है, and finally conclusion दिया है. Encouraging cashless transactions is very much needed because it will save time and money for people and also for institutions, something like that. इसको थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए.
और सर, मैंने ऐसे सुना है कि ग्रुप डिस्कशन जो बंदा इनिशिएट करता है उसको पॉइंट्स ज्यादा मिलते हैं.
Oh, that one, yeah. No, it depends. Is it going to straight interview or through internet?
No, sir, they have actually called at the corporate office.
Acha. Then you'll all be asked to sit in a round. Different types of strategies of GD can be there. In one type of GD recently in Canada Bank, what they did, they gave the topic and asked the people to talk for or against it for 2 minutes.
Okay.
And later, after all of them talking about it, they say now it is open. You can raise any point of your choice. So in such cases, you must talk for 2 minutes continuously on various points. They will give you 5 minutes time to note down the points. And afterwards, when they give opportunity for talking, at least use once or twice chance to express some views for and against that one. Okay.
Okay.
That is one method. Where they are going to adopt a old method of, say, topic being thrown open to the group and the group can talk on that. In that case, you utilize the opportunity to be the first or second or third person and also talk at least 2 or 3 times, not in one stroke.
Okay, sir.
These are the points. And you can also try to, I think they will ask you to tell the names, try to remember the names and use that name, at least 4 or 5 names, and use that name and say, Mr. Ram also has told very nicely about this. I agree with him. Something
I'm very
like
poor at that, sir.
something like that. Initiate
I'm very poor in remembering
names. Remembering names or remembering?
No, sir, I am very poor at remembering the names.
Oh, थोड़ा कोशिश कर लीजिए. नहीं होने से कोई बात नहीं. नहीं, if you can't remember names, you say, as our friend, show your hand and say, as our friend has suggested. समझ गया?
Okay, sir.
ऐसा
सर,
करके
एक्चुअली ऐसा है कि जैसे मतलब जनरल कैटेगरी से 30 कैंडिडेट सिलेक्टेड किए हैं, तो जिस दिन मेरा इंटरव्यू है टोटल 16 कैंडिडेट्स कॉल किए गए इंटरव्यू के लिए.
Though all of you will be talking very well. General category means all of you are intelligent guys, so you must be talking well.
Yes, sir.
No, don't worry. आप अपना efforts properly कर दो, ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Best wishes. God bless you.
और सर एक इन्होंने रिज्यूमे का फॉर्मेट दिया है, उसमें मुझे 2-3 पॉइंट्स आपसे पूछने थे.
पूछिए.
इसमें एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज लिखनी जरूरी है?
वो मांगा है तो आप जानते हैं तो लिख सकते हैं। जरूर
नहीं,
मीन
जैसे
it is not a compulsory. If you leave it blank, they will ask, "अरे भाई, why have you left it blank?"
तो सर इसमें वो साइकिलिंग वगैरह या योगा वगैरह आ
लिख
सकते
दा
हैं?
लिख दीजिए। That is correct.
ठीक है। और सर इसमें
No, normally
हम्म।
उधर में क्या आने से बढ़िया है, some social services which you are doing or participating,
ओके,
वो देने
तो
से
सर
थोड़ा अच्छा impression आएगा।
वी आर इंडल्ज्ड इन दैट डेरा ब्यास एंड वी आर डूइंग सेवा रेगुलरली देयर।
आप लिख दीजिए, थोड़ा थोड़ा लिख दीजिए, along with that
ठीक
cycling वगैरह लिख दीजिए। Then
ठीक। और सर इसमें रेफरेंसेस में क्या लिखना है अदर देन रिलेटिव?
references, see relatives का नाम नहीं लिखना है। The people with whom you are having contact now, आपका घर का आसपास में कोई अच्छा आदमी जो बैंक में काम करता है, गवर्नमेंट में काम करता है और बिजनेस में अच्छा करते हैं, उनको एड्रेस पूरा देके उनको बता दीजिए हमने आपको रेफरेंस दिया। कोई रेफरेंस आएगा तो अच्छा रेफरेंस दे दीजिए। सो गिव द नेम ऑफ पर्सन विथ whom you are confident he will tell good about you.
सर ये देना ही पड़ेगा, कंपलसरी है?
Compulsory, because
ओके
at the time of issuing appointment order, they will send 2 letters to those 2 people and they will ask their opinion whether you can be depended upon or not. They
ओके
have to simply state, I know Mr. So and so for the last 5 years and he bears excellent character, good character.
ओके सर।
ऐसा लिखने से हो
सो
जाएगा।
बिफोर मेंशनिंग देयर नेम्स आई हैव टू इन्फॉर्म देम?
I wish him all success. It has to be. You have to inform them that you are mentioning their name. Ask them their name, address, educational qualification. If they are working, what is the position in which they are working? What is their address, residential address, to which communication can be sent, phone number or cell phone number. Cell
So
phone,
sir, two persons are to be mentioned or one will be okay?
two must buy, must.
Two must.
Very,
Okay.
very much important.
And sir, here is a question: minimum joining time required if selected.
What is the notice period in your case?
So there is no notice period.
You can come out within 1 month,
Yes sir.
then give 1 month or 2 months. ऐसा कुछ दे दीजिए, no problem.
Okay, मतलब इससे
और-
कोई
2 months देने से भी ठीक है। ये आप 1 महीना नोटिस दे के आप अपना कंपनी से बाहर आइए, 1 महीना रेस्ट ले लीजिए, बाद में ज्वाइन कर लीजिए, उसमें क्या है।
ओके सर। और सर प्रेजेंट सैलरी ड्राइंग, इसमें क्या कोई प्रूफ वगैरह मांगेंगे मेरे से वो?
प्रूफ नॉर्मली लेके जाने से बढ़िया है।
ओके
You have, are they giving you salary slip?
सर actually the salary is being credited in my account directly, but only 80% is in through bank and by balance 20% is through cash.
That 20% को छोड़ दो, 80% only show कर दो।
Okay
80% को
And-
शो कर दो। आपको कुछ सैलरी स्लिप वगैरह नहीं देते?
no sir.
80% को भी नहीं देते?
No sir.
ठीक है, छोड़ दीजिए, नो इश्यूज। नो, बट normally they would have asked, you have to bring your salary slip, you have to bring your income tax return. दूसरा इंटरव्यू में तो उतना डिटेल मांग रहे हैं।
Okay.
आपका, you are filing income tax return?
Yes sir. I am filing regularly.
Okay, and sometimes they can ask you the previous income tax return also, but utna to nahi hai. Normally in such interviews, they will ask you salary slip for the last 3 months. How can I ensure
Okay.
that you are working there? And also your appointment order.
I am registered under a provident fund scheme of the company.
That is right. That is okay. That is not a proof. Proof
No
is,
sir.
proof you have to give your appointment order, salary
Okay.
slip. Salary slip nahi hone se at least appointment order de dijiye. Tell them that they are not giving salary slip. Salary is credited to the SB account only. This is these are the details. एक statement बना दीजिए. The month of say August, this is the salary credited. September, October, November. अब बना दीजिए. Retain your passbook with you.
Okay.
I know you may not have passbook. Take a printout of your account.
बैंक स्टेटमेंट.
हाँ, लिख के जाइए. ठीक है.
और सर एक क्वेश्चन है, हैव यू एनी ऑब्लिगेशन टू योर मेकिंग रेफरेंस और सिक्योरिंग कॉन्फिडेंशियल रिपोर्ट फ्रॉम योर फॉर्मर एम्प्लॉयर और प्रेजेंट एम्प्लॉयर?
Pardon, have you
any objection to your making reference
हाँ,
to or making reference or securing confidential report from your former employer or present
हाँ.
employer?
It's because अभी आपको some people may not like the next employer to write to the previous employer because previous employer may not give good report because he is angry you are leaving him.
तो सर इसमें नो लिख सकते हैं ना, मतलब ऐसे तो नहीं है कि ऐसे ही लिखना है.
You can write no, in which case they will make a reference to your company. आपका company में they will give good report ना.
Yes sir, but presently I do not want to disclose that I am searching for other jobs.
अच्छा, सब तो उसमें लिख दीजिए yes बोल दीजिए, no मत बोलो. Yes. Are you having objection? Yes.
Okay sir, ठीक है. मतलब ये कोई नेगेटिविटी तो नहीं शो करेगा ना?
कोई बात नहीं. Because you tell them it is if they ask in interview, you tell them it's a private company. They may not like efficient employees to leave them. It's a fact.
Okay.
Na? It's a fact.
Yes sir.
Yeah.
Yes sir. And sir, any other particulars you wish to mention which are relevant and particularly qualify you for the post?
It is for you to decide. See, for example, something which you feel is very something in which you have made some important achievement.
Okay.
ऐसा कुछ होने से तो लिख सकते हैं, अदरवाइज ब्लैंक दे दो, कोई चिंता नहीं.
ब्लैंक दे दे. और सर इसमें एक है सेल्फ स्पाउस एंड अदर डिपेंडेंट की डिटेल्स मांगी है, नेम, एज, रिलेशनशिप, ऑक्यूपेशन,
या आपको स्पाउस तो नहीं है.
हाँ जी.
Dependents, you can give the name of your parents.
Okay.
Because after all, they are only doing business. They are not working in any organization.
Yes sir.
This is required because after next year, when they are eligible for medical and all that, कुछ use होगा तो use कर सकते हैं.
Okay sir.
Best wishes. Thank you. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir.
Do well. Send me the list of questions.
Okay sir. Thank you.
Bye. You are
Bye.
done. You are done well. I will give you out of 20. I will easily give you 18, 17 to 18 marks.
Okay sir. Thank you sir.
Best wishes. All the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.